And here we are, the final part of the monster dolls tutorial. In this last video, I'll show you how I sew the head onto the body. It may look simple, but trust me, this step can give you a bit of trouble sometimes. If you have tools or clips that help you keep the head in place while sewing, definitely use them. They make things so much easier. I don't have any, and honestly, I've never used them. I think I just improved my technique as I made more and more projects. So I'm sharing this video in case it inspires you or helps you see how I attached the head to the body. Also, keep in mind that you can always add a little extra stuffing at the end just to make sure the head doesn't wobble around. I hope this helps and have fun finishing your monster doll. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'll see you here on my channel for our next projects.